Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add a voiceover here onto your video in CapCut. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so you can see we're currently here on our blank template. I'm going to drag in a random video, as you can see we have right here. Now there are two ways. The first way you can do it by doing it within the CapCut app itself. You can go in here, for example, and you can have it add in some dialogue. For example, you can see here, we can have some dialogue entered just by entering it and having that generated. But of course, this is a pro feature. So if you don't want to do that, then I recommend using something like Audacity. Get yourself your very own audio, drag it in, as you can see we have right here, drag and drop onto your timeline. And you can see it has now been added. If I press play, you can see the voiceover has been added. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.